Earthquake. 3.3 quake near Carpinteria, California. A magnitude 3.3 earthquake was reported at 1:34 a.m. Sunday 6 miles from Carpinteria, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. The earthquake occurred 10 miles from Ventura, 12 miles from Santa Barbara, 17 miles from Oxnard and 20 miles from Santa Paula. In the last 10 days, there have been no earthquakes of magnitude 3.0 or greater centered nearby. An average of 234 earthquakes with magnitudes of 3.0 to 4.0 occur each year in California and Nevada, according to a recent 3-year data sample.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.